standing on Finny. You hear me? Standing. Today is the day that all my shit come. Period. I'm pre-making this video because I'm tired as a dead dog. Okay? Because so if y'all see something similar, mind your business. Okay? I know I look like a naked mole rat. I know I look fucked up. But baby, I just woke up. Okay? And I'm trying to kill 2 and 3, 4 birds with one stone. Okay, so as you guys know, this is the living room right now. So I'm going to give you guys a full. So this is stuff that I still haven't put up in the bathroom. This is pillows and extra stuff. That's a box. That's an empty box. This is a box of my clothes here. As you guys can see, this is the coffee table at my last place. I don't know why they brought it. This is my work desk. This is the stools, the bar stools that I don't need, and this is the one of the mirrors that I'm gonna try to attempt to put in here. It's so heavy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hang it, what I'm gonna be able to hang it with, because they really like trying to be funny, talking about no holes in the wall. Like, bitch, what do you mean? What do you mean no holes in the wall? How am I supposed to? Okay, cool. I ain't gonna do too fucking much on you. I ain't gonna do too much on you, bitch. But okay, cool. So this is the kitchen. Y'all seen me in my little vlog or whatever. It's gonna come out probably after this. You know what I'm saying? I've unpacked the kitchen, but I'm gonna unpack the rest of the house by the end of this week. I promise you. I guess we're done. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all my living room. And then whenever they come, I'm gonna show you guys them unloading the truck. I don't know if they're gonna put the furniture together. I might have to do that little 1-2 by myself. Even if I do have to do it by myself, I could do it with y'all. I could do it with TikTok. I could do it with anybody. But yeah, y'all see me looking at the windows or whatever. Staring at the window. So this is what we giving. My son is currently sleeping right here. I told y'all that little situation because I got him a bed. So I got him a bed, y'all. So it's gonna go with the furniture and all that good stuff right there. Okay, so y'all see these little end tables right here? I did not want to take these either. Like, I should just sell this stuff, right? I was just like, I'm just giving this shit away. I'm just throwing it away. It's nothing really wrong with it, but it's not my fault. You know what I'm saying? It's time for me to have new shit. I done had this shit since 2021. It's about to be 2024. Yeah, out with the old and with the new, fresh start. And this, I feel like all of this furniture that I still have, like, still got like bad juju on it, because it's the furniture I had like with my ex and stuff like that, like everything like from my ex, and we had this furniture together type shit. And I just want to start fresh. I just want to start new. Like, I just want to, and I'm so happy like that my hard work is paying off. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I don't never treat myself. I don't never do nothing with myself. I don't never splurge on myself. I'm working so hard and I don't do nothing for myself. Barely do self-care. Nails been on, they won't come off. Hair, you know what I'm saying? But it's worth it. It's worth it and all at the end, because I just want to give the best life for me and my son. I'm trying not to get emotional. Oh my fucking God. Like, every time I talk about it, like, because I feel like I've came so fucking far. And that's why I really want to, like, I've come so far, and if y'all know what I've been through, like, in life, like, even these last 2 years, like, I'm gonna do some story times for y'all and stuff like that. Y'all see I'm emotional. Y'all know it's real. Like, y'all been know what I've been through these last 1.5 years, almost 2 years. Y'all be like, girl, I'm proud of you. I'm gonna give y'all a story time, whatever. And yeah, I want to show y'all my stomach. It's giving flat tummy, no teeth. But I got on my little drawers and my little oversized t-shirt, you know. Is it too much? I'm gonna try to, hold on, wait. You know, I'm not really trying to show y'all my goods. I've been low-key fasting without knowing it, you know, because I've been moving a lot of stuff. I low-key just been eating one time a day. and drinking plenty of liquids. So I've been fasting low-key. I'm gonna take you guys on that journey too. We gonna fast together. Even though I'm gonna pre-record it, when y'all watch it, y'all better store. I ain't doing this for no reason now. Cause I'm at where I'm at. I can't afford to fast no more. If I fast some more, I'm gonna be skinny bone. Okay. But yeah. So y'all see this little shelving right here? I'm so excited to put all types of decor on here. Y'all, we gonna go decor shopping. I'm gonna slow down a little bit now that I got the furniture and stuff. I don't wanna get too far ahead of myself. I don't even give a fuck. I was thinking that. I said, girl, you're moving too fast. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. I don't care. When I want something right then. I want to do it now. That's why I asked some people. I said, can I come pick up the furniture tomorrow? I'm gonna have a truck tomorrow. Oh, we don't do pickups or deliveries on Sunday. How you don't do pickups? How you gonna tell me I can't pick up my own shit if I any fucking way? But yeah, so before and after is coming soon. See y'all when the stuff get here. Oh my gosh, guess what guys? It is here. Everything is here. Now I have to find out what I'm gonna do with everything else. I just thought about that. I had to move a lot of stuff to make a lot of stuff fit. But y'all, I'm so happy. My living room set, everything, all my furniture is here, and I'm gonna show it off like a bad bitch showing off her new BBL, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey. Okay, so boom, bow, bling, blow. Yeah. I got me a new dining room table. Oh my gosh. I did not know it was this big, but my kitchen is big. My kitchen big. I still got room. Okay, cool. Period. Yeah. So I got these little chairs right here. They are so comfortable. Honestly, I feel like my son is old enough to keep stuff clean, correct? You old enough to know not to drop stuff on my stuff, correct? Great. So I got this table right here, and y'all gonna see why I got this table. Everything big on big. Big table, big sofa, big body. Yeah, the biggest. I did this, me, like, yeah. So we got the little table or whatever. It's not little, it's huge. It's like medium high. Y'all see how it comes to me. So, and then we got the little chairs. Bling, blow, or whatever. And they put up everything. I did get them a tip, even though I'm broke as a joke. I just went to the grocery store. Look, I'm kicking out all this money and I'm broke. But it's okay, it's worth it. Everything is coming together. So now I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so the end tables. These are the end tables for my sofa. They match the dining room table, and also it matches the coffee table as well. So everything matches. You know what I'm saying? I ain't want to be a mix match type of bitch because I'm not tacky. You know what I'm saying? Never that. And I got me a new rug as well. Yeah. And y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the sofa last because I love the sofa. That's why and then what else I got? I got my son a bed. Got him a little twin bed, and I got the little memory foam. He really got a better mattress than I do, baby. This is what I got him. The little frame, the mattress, the little twin set. I'm glad I got a twin, because if I would have got a full, his whole room would have been, you know what I'm saying? It would have been kind of like cluttered in here, and like, you know what I'm saying? You had to do that in there. I ain't about to try to do all that, you know what I'm saying? So, and I'm gonna show you guys my sofa. This is her. This is she. She's here. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys the details on the side. I went simple. I know I showed you guys the black sofa, and I said I was gonna get that, but I was like, that's too fancy. I ain't gonna want nobody sitting on my sofa then. But yeah, so I got this new sofa right here. It's an L shape. It's like, what is it called? I forgot what it's called right now. They gave me these little raggedy butt pillows, even though I thought I was gonna get the pillow that was on it at the stove, but it's cool or whatever. I'm gonna just give me some new pillows, but for the time being, I'm gonna put my old pillow that was on there. So yeah. Catch the drift. You see me chilling like a villain, laid back, feet up, chilling, kicking and shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is my sofa. It is huge. I was worried that it was gonna be too big. Like when they started putting it up, I was like, oh my God, where is it gonna go? I'm not gonna be able to walk by or nothing. But they did it so perfectly. I had to give them some money even though I was broke. Like, I don't care about telling nobody I'm broke. I told the truth, I said I'm broke. How much y'all want? I only got $10 for both of y'all. Hello? Y'all better goddamn get a 4 for 4 from Wendy's. But yeah, let me stop. Let me stop, yo. So this is my little sofa or whatever. This is my little sofa in my little living room. Hey. So yeah, so all I gotta do now is get some decorations. I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me. Like, the journey finna be long, but the journey finna be fire. Yeah, I'm gonna decorate my living room with y'all. I'm gonna decorate like my whole house with y'all. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I can cry real fucking tears right now. I'm really not crying right now because I'm joking with y'all right now, but I really want to cry. I really want to cry. Like, I do, because they gave me my props. Like, the dudes that was, you know what I'm saying, put on my furniture and stuff, they even put on my furniture. Like, they did a lot of work to put up this furniture. It took them about an hour and a half to put up this furniture. And I was telling them how, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm doing all this shit basically by myself. For real. And they was like, you're doing a good job, you know what I'm saying, you know, that's what's up, you on your shit. And I know I'm on my shit. I'm standing on business. You hear me? Standing on business. Yeah. So now I just have to get some decorations for this right here. Some paintings on the wall. You know, look at him. Look at him, already got his little spanky toes. Look at his little spanky little feet. Look at his stinky feet. Look at him. He got his little stinky feet. Y'all, he just gave me the biggest hug. Like, I just really want to cry, but I ain't gonna cry in front of him. I ain't gonna cry right now. But yeah, y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I could literally, if y'all know what I've been through, bro, this last year and a half, y'all be like, well, these last 2 years almost, because we in November. Like, it's crazy, it's mind blowing. If you would told me I was gonna be here last year, I would be like, you lying. And I'm doing all this, I'm taking leaps of faith, I'm trusting in God. God got me, bro. Next step, new car. Who this? Yeah. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all share this with a friend. If y'all love me, y'all will do that. Y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.